Welcome little chess champs. Today we are going to explore a superpower that one special chess pieces, the pawn. Let's dive in and uncover the magic of pawn promotion. Pawns might be small, but they pack a punch. Although they can't zoom around the board like other pieces, they have a secret power. Can you guess what? If a pawn reach the other side, it can transform into any piece of the same color except king. So only pawn can do this. Except king means it can transform into queen, knight, or bishop, or rook. So when does promotion happen? When white pawn reaches 8th row or black pawn reaches the first row. That pawn can transform into powerful piece like queen or rook or bishop or knight. Most players pick the queen because it's super strong. So now when a player promote a pawn to a queen, then usually say to the opponent, I want a queen, or simply queen. And get this, you can even have two queens. Most games, one extra queen is enough to make a difference. Did you know that you could technically have up to 9 queens or even 10 rook, bishop or knight? But don't worry, in most games you will see 1 or 2 pieces. It's very rare to have so many. If you need extra pieces, if you need extra queen but don't have one in your set, no worries. You can use upside down rook or small item in your new pieces like this. If you don't have piece, so consider as queen to play the game. And remember, pawn promotion is must. So pawn promotion is must. When a pawn reaches to last row, it has to transform. You can't leave it as a pawn. Just take off the pawn and place the new queen like a queen or knight or rook or bishop, the square when it reaches. That's the magic of pawn promotion. Pawn may start small, but they can become most powerful piece on the board. So take care of those pawns, help them reach the other side and unlock their superpower. Happy learning.